and I had been snoring for many years. In fact, I was snoring even as a baby, and I know that I was born as a hyperventilator because my parents would tell me stories about me snoring when I was a baby. By the way, a lot of people are born as hyperventilators since their parents were hyperventilators. And in this case, it's a little bit more difficult to correct your breathing patterns, but it's still very possible, of course. So when I was a baby, I snored, and my father used to call me a snoring mountain. That was my nickname, and my snoring was very cute at that time. But over years, it was getting less and less cute, I think. And then at a certain time, I started practicing chanting, and my lungs became really strong, and my snoring became really strong as well. At that time, I really became a snoring mountain. And then I also developed some mild sleep apnea, because I would snore and I would inhale in a very deep way, and then my breathing would stop completely for a few seconds or so, and that would wake me up. Again, all those problems could be easily corrected with the tape and other tools which we use during the night. So even though, I had been snoring for more than 40 years of my life, I was able to stop it by applying those tools. And of course, my sleep apnea is gone completely as well. And in the connection with this, I'd like to mention that we do help and we do work with people who have sleep apnea, and we are able to help many people to stop using the sleep apnea machines and rebuild their healthy sleep patterns. The breathing normalization method is very effective for those types of people as well.